Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the VerifyFixPro application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And we can open the VerifyFixPro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page wait until you see your watch right here, because your watch needs to connect to your phone, so let's wait a second or two. Sometimes it takes longer. Oh, this time it connected. As you can see, we have the ULEFONE watch GPS and the battery. This means that the watch is connected to our phone. So now we can tap on the music control option right here. And as you can see, we can enable or disable the music control by tapping on the switch. So I'm gonna enable it. And now we can select the default player. As you can see, I have files by Google and YouTube Music, but if you have some player installed like Spotify and Tidal, you should be able to see them here too. I'm gonna select YouTube Music, then I'm gonna save my settings by tapping on the check mark. Remember to save them before you close the application. And once the settings are saved, we can open the YouTube Music. Now let's find some music. So I'm gonna type in NCS and I'm gonna open the playlist. Tap on play, and now the music is playing. And to control it with our watch, we need to wake up the screen by pressing the side button. Then you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called Music Controller, tap on it, and here we can control the music on our phone. So we can tap on play and pause button to play and pause the music. For some reason the button is bugged. It was working before, but for some reason now, as you can see, it doesn't want to play. I don't know why. Also, you can skip to the next song by tapping on next, and you can go back to the previous song by tapping on back. Okay, and once you're done controlling the music, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.